Cows are renowned for their large milk-producing glands known as udders, which possess 4 teats. Dog. It is a very clever animal and is very useful in catching thieves. Sheep. Sheep or domestic sheep are a domesticated ruminant mammal, typically kept as a livestock. Duck. A duck is a small type of swimming bird with a short neck and legs.
Goat. The goat or domestic goat is a domesticated species of goat antelope typically kept as a livestock. Hen. The chicken is a domesticated jungle fowl species.
Camel. Camels are also called the sheep of the desert. They live in the desert and are perfectly adapted to the environment. Horse. Horses have 4 powerful legs, 2 eyes and a nose, ears and a tail.
Reindeer. Giraffe. Peacock. Panda. Triceratops.
Bear.
Zebra. Allosaurus. Lion. Lion. The lion is a large cat of genus Panthera. Allosaurus is a genus of large carnosorgan theropod dinosaur. Zebra. Zebras are African equines with distinctive black and white coat.
Bear. Bear are mammals that belong to the family Ursidae.
Triceratops is a genus of herbivorous dinosaur. Panda. The giant panda is a bear species endemic to China. Peacock, also known as peafowl, are medium-sized birds. Giraffe. The giraffe is a large African hoofed mammal. Reindeer. The reindeer or caribou is a species of a deer. Allosaurus. Allosaurus is a genus of large carnosorgan theropod dinosaurs. Panda. The giant panda is a bear species endemic to China. Fox. Foxes are small to medium-sized, omnivorous mammals. Cheetah. The cheetah is a large cat native to Africa and Southwest Asia. Lion. The lion is a large cat of genus Panthera. Peacock. Peacock, also known as peafowl, are medium-sized birds. Giraffe. The giraffe is a large African hoofed mammal. Reindeer. The reindeer or caribou is a species of a deer. Triceratops. Triceratops is a genus of herbivorous dinosaur. Rhinoceros. A rhinoceros, commonly abbreviated to rhino, is a member. Zebra. Zebras are African equines with distinctive black and white coat. Lion. The lion is a large cat of genus Panthera. Reindeer. The reindeer or caribou is a species of a deer. Fox. Foxes are small to medium-sized, omnivorous mammals. Cheetah. The cheetah is a large cat native to Africa and Southwest Asia.
Bull. Bull. Bear. Bear are mammals that belong to the family Ursidae.
Peacock. Peacock, also known as peafowl, are medium-sized birds. Zebra. Zebras are African equines with distinctive black and white coats. Panda. The giant panda is a bear species endemic to China. Allosaurus is a genus of large carnosorgan theropod dinosaur.
Wolf. The wolf, also known as the gray wolf or gray wolf.
Rhinoceros. A rhinoceros, commonly abbreviated to rhino, is a member. Giraffe. The giraffe is a large African hoofed mammal. Triceratops. Triceratops is a genus of herbivorous dinosaur.
Lion. The lion is a large cat of genus Panthera. Rhinoceros. A rhinoceros, commonly abbreviated to rhino, is a member. Elephant. Elephants are the largest existing land animals. Sheep. A ship is a large watercraft that travels the world's ocean. Duck. Duck is the common name for numerous species of waterfowl.
tortoise. Tortoises are reptiles of the family Testudinidae of the order Testudians.
Frogs. Frog is any member of a diverse.
Pig. The pig, often called swine, hog. Rabbit. Rabbits are also known as bunnies or bunny rabbit are small mammals.
Stingrays. Stingrays are a group of sea rays. Hen. The chicken is a domesticated mammal. Penguins. Penguins are a group of aquatic flightless birds. Cat is a domesticated species of small carnivore mammal. Starfish. Starfish or sea stars are star-shaped echinoderms.
Bee. Bees are winged insects closely related to wasps and ants. Allosaurus dinosaur. Allosaurus is an extinct genus of large carnosaurian theropod dinosaur. Rabbit. Rabbits are also known as bunnies or bunny rabbit are small mammals. Alligators. An alligator or just gator is a large reptile in the Crocodilia order in the genus. Goldfish. The goldfish is a freshwater fish in the family Sphrinidae of the order Sphriniformes. Monkey. Monkey is a common name that may refer to most mammals of the infraorder Simiformes. Alligators. An alligator or just gator is a large reptile in the Crocodilia order in the genus.
Lion. The lion is a large cat of genus Panthera.
Hippopotamus. Hippos are the third largest living land mammals. Bear. Bears are carnivore mammals of the family. Turtle. Turtles are an order of reptiles.
Rhinoceros.
A rhinoceros, commonly abbreviated to rhino, is a member. Giraffe. The giraffe is a large African hoofed mammal. Zebra. Zebras are African equines with distinctive black and white coats.
Leopard. Leopard is one of the 5 extant species in the genus Panthers.
Reindeer. The reindeer or caribou is a species of a deer.
Leopard.
Rhinoceros. Lion. Reindeer. Zebra. Giraffe. Reindeer.
Zebra. Lion. Reindeer.
Triceratops.
Fox. Giraffe. Panda. Peacock. Rhinoceros.
Rhinoceros. Maline tapir. Panda. The giant panda is a bear species endemic to China.
Bear. Reindeers are carnivore mammals of the family.
Peacock. Peacock, also known as peafowl, are medium-sized birds. Reindeer. The reindeer or caribou is a species of a deer. Triceratops. Triceratops is a genus of herbivorous dinosaur.
Wolf. The wolf, also known as the gray wolf.
Allosaurus. Allosaurus is a genus of large carnosorgan theropod dinosaur. Giraffe. The giraffe is a large African hoofed mammal.
Bull. Bull.
Fox. Foxes are small to medium-sized, omnivorous mammals. Zebra. Zebras are African equines with distinctive black and white coats. Maline tapir. The maline tapir, also called Asian tapir.
Hippo. Hippopotamus are large semi-aquatic mammal.